So if we can let go of the selfish aspect, self-centered motivation, and we can do something different, which is on this side. Okay. Xiang basically is like a mutual. Okay, in this context, I will translate it into mutual. Okay, 相 生 okay, born, give birth to. Okay, 相生 道 the way. Yi. Okay. 心 okay. Now I like it when I see 道义心. Okay, let's read. 相生道义心. 相生 means mutual promotion. When I do something to help other people to be more successful, when other people in difficult time, instead of competing with that person as my colleague, I send reagents to that laboratory that they need. Remember back in the year of 2004, my laboratory was given an order to shut down by the former research center director, Dr. Jiro Nippon, at the Benora Research Institute. At that time, my laboratory was doing so great. We were making great discoveries. One most important discovery actually was about Falun Gong practitioners' white blood cells. And Dr. Lily Fan from Baylor School of Medicine collaborated with Dr. Wang, my past, the name is Dr. Wang, at the Benora Research Institute. And we found something incredible. One day I'm going to give a lecture on that. But the Chinese government was very fearful about that important discoveries, and they want to silence it. They don't want the world to know about that data. Certainly, if the data shows to the world that a Falun Dafa cultivation practice have such incredible impact onto the human immune system, and the world leading scientists will all come to support such a research project. And so the Jiang Zemin, that evil CCP head, no longer can deceive the world to demonize and smear the reputation of Falun Dafa. So that's why the Jiang Zemin gang in China was very fearful of scientists like Dr. Lily Fan and Dr. Tang Wang, my former name. So that's why they actually use money and the power and other factors to buy the heart of the former governor of Washington State, and that's Mr. Gary Locke. Sadly, got controlled by a foreign government, and he then worked for the foreign government, foreign CCP evil head Jiang Zemin in America. He followed the order to secretly pressure Dr. Jiro Nippon to shut down this very important research project. Okay, so you see the problem of the science field is that if everybody want to compete with each other for success, then, you know, the very important project that actually can bring truth to the world, but actually lead people to be empowered, and the pharmaceutical companies, they will actually not going to benefit from that kind of truth, you see. And you know, a lot of people, they will start to think, oh, you know, that is not going to benefit me. We're not going to support it. But if the scientists don't think about that, they think about the truth. They think about how we're going to help each other to discover the truth that can lead mankind to a beautiful future. And when you have this 相生means help each other, you know, in a positive way, as if, you know, I'm giving birth to something beautiful, and that person benefits, and that person in return giving birth to something so beautiful, and I benefit. So that's a positive circle. The positive circulation comes from 相生. Now the foundation of it is not the 师傅, but actually is 道义. 道, the law of the universe. 义, loyalty. Loyalty is essential for upholding the truth. What means loyalty? To uphold the truth. You follow the truth, you uphold the truth. And that heart is called 道义心. Okay. Particularly this moral, I think it's so important for the scientists. You know, don't compete with each other for your selfish agenda. As a matter of fact, should collaborate with each other and support each other to uphold the truth. Okay, find the truth and uphold the truth. If the modern frontier life scientists can do that, I will say that this group of people will truly be very blessed, because these people fundamentally, they believe in truth and they also know the truth. It is just one, you know, element of selfishness these days are blocking this wonderful group of people to walk away from competing with each other for publication and getting grant money, and, you know, going against the morality. Once mankind go against morality, no matter how great discoveries you have, you know, obtained, especially science. I always remember Dr. Lily Feng, you know, she always said, science, you know, is basically double-bladed sword. It can cut the dirt, but it also can cut yourself. Okay, if you don't use the double-bladed sword, following morality, the consequence of the advantage, the progress of modern science is self-destruction. Science can help mankind find the truth. Science also can destroy mankind without following moral principles. So this moral lesson is extremely important for modern life science researchers. I thank you, Mr. Shim, today to put this important moral lesson for this group of people, and we send our best wishes.